Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to add music to your YouTube videos. Start by logging into your account and heading over to YouTube Studio. If you haven't uploaded your file yet, click the Create button in the top right and select Upload Videos. Once inside YouTube Studio, click on Content from the left-hand menu to see all your channel's videos. Find the video you wish to modify and click on its title or thumbnail to open the Details page. From the Video Details screen, locate the Editor option on the left sidebar. Click it to launch the video editor, and if a Get Started prompt appears, click it to continue. In the editor, find the Audio section. You can click the music note icon on the timeline or choose Add Audio from the top menu. YouTube provides a massive library of copyright-free music that is safe for monetization and free of usage limits. Browse the tracks and use the play button to preview them. When you find a song you like, click Add to include it in your project. The track will appear on your timeline, where you can adjust its length by dragging the ends of the clip. You can also click and move the track to change its start time, allowing you to sync the music perfectly with your footage. Click the track to access more options, such as the mix level setting. This allows you to adjust the volume so the music doesn't overpower your dialogue or other important sounds. If you decide to delete a track, click the three dots on the audio bar and select Remove. Once you are happy with the edits, click Save in the top right corner. YouTube will begin processing the changes, which may take some time, so check back later to see your updated video. While it processes, your video status may show as Processing.